Welcome, I'm Maria, and I've been baking bread here for 18 years. Today, you're getting an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at how
Unit 42 is secure at the south dock. Go ahead and start the roll-up.
Take the first aisle on the left, Bay 3B.
Confirmed, 50 bags of flour.
Quality starts here, at receiving.
Every delivery gets tested. We check protein content, moisture levels, and purity.
Automated systems monitor inventory 24/7. When mixing begins, precise amounts are released.
Every loaf starts with just 5 basic ingredients: flour, water, yeast, salt, and a touch of sugar. But the magic is in the proportions and timing.
In just 12 minutes, random ingredients become a living dough.
I've been baking for 30 years. Temperature is everything. Too cold, yeast won't activate properly. Too hot, you'll kill the yeast.
See how it stretches without breaking? This network will trap the CO2 from yeast, creating that soft, airy texture we all love.
Keep it centered, almost there. All right, she's going in. Watch the weight.
The mixer temperature on vat 3 is fluctuating.
I see it. Adjusting the schedule now.
This is where the magic happens. Yeast consumes sugars, producing carbon dioxide and alcohol. The dough comes alive.
Trillions of yeast cells are working simultaneously, each one contributing to the final texture and flavor.
Perfect fermentation. The dough holds its shape but springs back gently. Too firm means under-fermented, too slack means over-fermented.
Different breads require different fermentation times and conditions. Each one is carefully monitored.
fermentation is the heart of bread making. This is where flavor develops. Without proper fermentation, you get bland, dense bread.
Fermentation complete. Acknowledged.
Okay, let's move this one out.
Watch the turn at the end.
Some breads demand the human touch. I can feel when the dough is ready, adjust for humidity, temperature. That's ready for the oven. Properly proofed dough springs back slowly. Underproof springs back fast. Overproof doesn't spring at all.
Okay, easy now. Keep it steady on the left.
Got it. Rolling it in.
Control room. Stack pressure is holding steady at 50 psi. We are clear for the next sequence.
The tunnel oven has 4 distinct temperature zones. Each zone serves a specific purpose in baking.
Steam in the first minutes is critical. It keeps the surface flexible so the bread can expand fully before the crust sets.
The color gradient is looking good. Just a slight adjustment to the temperature here.
At high heat, complex chemical reactions create that golden crust, distinct aroma, and incredible flavor.
This is the moment everything comes together. 22 minutes at precisely controlled temperatures transforms dough.
Proper cooling is essential. Cutting too soon releases moisture, making bread gummy. We cool for 90 minutes minimum.
What happens during cooling is remarkable. Starches retrograde, they firm up, creating that sliceable texture. The crust continues crackling.
All right, straight through on the unsliced line. Keep them moving to packaging.
Safety first. Metal detectors catch any potential contamination, even a staple from a flour bag. We test randomly throughout the day. This bread shows excellent crumb structure, uniform air pockets, good texture, proper moisture. Approved.
How many is that now? Did you count?
Always.
Lost track after the first 100. They smell incredible though.
Control, this is forklift 2. Pallet 4B is secured in aisle 9.
Roger to that too. System updated.
Cuidado con la esquina.
Dale, dale, está bien.
Próximo pallet aquí, por favor.
We deliver to 200 locations daily. Supermarkets, restaurants, schools. Everything is tracked. Temperature monitored.
Okay, I have 20 baguettes and 12 whole wheat listed.
That's correct. They are all accounted for on this pallet.
Oh, wow, look at how fresh these look.
And that is why you should never try to milk a goat wearing roller skates.
Oh, honey, that's hilarious. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, please subscribe for more factory tours and food production documentaries. Until next time, keep breaking bread together.